Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sean.
I'm Anvesha.
And we are.
I'm Lubong.
Today we're going to do a reaction to the Toxic teaser. It came out I think a month or two back. We had done a previous reaction to Toxic introducing Raya.
Yeah, the character introduction.
The character of Yash.
The main lead, Yash.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that was a very bombastic kind of a video, very loud and very explosive, and you know the normal machine guns and things firing off, and him also firing off. And overall, it was a very very well made video clip of his character. And this is the teaser to the trailer.
And many of you have requested us to do the teaser reaction. Actually, first we thought it's a teaser, but it wasn't. It was the character introduction. And today we are going to do the teaser. So the movie has been written by Yash himself and Geetu Mohandas, directed by Geetu Mohandas also, and produced by KVN Productions and Monster Mind Creations. And let's look at the star cast. It has Yash, Kiara Advani, Nayanthara, Huma Qureshi, Tara Sutaria, and Rukmini Vasant. A lot of girls. Okay, there might be, I'm sure there are
Other as well, yeah.
Like men, because this here it only talks about Yash and the other girls. So we are expecting the teaser to be as good as the introduction video that we saw.
Yeah.
So without wasting any more time, let's just get into it. And if you guys have not seen the official teaser video of Toxic, please go down. The link has been given for you in the description box below. Now let's start.
ಈ ಸಲ ಯುದ್ಧನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಅವರುಗಳ ಕುತಂತ್ರನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಎಲ್ರೂನು ಎದುರಾಕೊಂಡು ಬದುಕಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಠ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡು. Give up, Raya. It's over. It's over. When I say it's over. Until then, have some manners. Fucking manners. I'm home, Daddy.
So guys, that was the
Teaser.
for Toxic. And pretty much what I expected based on the previous video of Raya being introduced. So yeah, again, a lot of action sequences, a lot of gore and blood. That I like that part where he's got the gun, he's moving him across the window or the glass, and he gets cut all over. Even the saw, the chainsaw.
There's too much blood in action for me.
And that's what sells now. I mean, all that sells, like the blood and the excessive violence and everything. People like that apparently. So, but yeah, overall a nice teaser. I wish it was more longer.
Yeah.
Get a better context.
I'm sure the trailer will be longer.
Trailer will be longer. Yeah. Because they had explained, I think we had read a small synopsis. It's based about Goa.
Goa, yes.
Yeah, the gambling and casino ring in Goa
The
and
drug cartels.
Drug cartels, yeah. But here they showed snippets
of a circus theme, a little bit of a Chinese New Year kind of vibe.
And here they also showed some place with the snow and everything, like a mountain and snow. Probably it's
Goa,
back and forth.
Maybe some other location.
Obviously,
Goa
there's no snow in Goa, but yeah, probably they've gone around
And I wonder who that character was at the end. Maybe a villain. I mean, a strong actor, hero needs a strong villain also.
Yeah.
So maybe.
And based on, I think, the trends, I think for the last 2-3 years, the villain's role has to be somewhat bigger compared to the hero.
Magnanimous.
Yes, because it has to be a good opposition, a good opposite role to the hero, to give him good, I would say, competition. So I don't know who it was. I mean, we'll come to know in the next trailer, the next
Yeah,
teaser.
hero will only be a hero if he is actually, battling someone who's greater than him.
It's no point someone who's
Greater
weaker.
and then battling and also defeating someone greater
Yeah,
than
that's
the
true.
hero to come out to be a bigger hero, I guess.
Yeah, I haven't seen much of the women actresses so far in the teaser.
Yeah, not much actually.
Not much,
they
yeah.
didn't really show any of the female characters.
They mentioned 4 or 5 names on the YouTube link, but didn't see any of them. So maybe in the next
But
teaser.
it's definitely not a
No,
child-friendly
obviously,
movie.
yeah.
It doesn't look like one because
The violence and the
violence is there. Also, they are saying it's for grown-ups. So there's a disclaimer right there that it's a fairy tale for grown-ups. So only
lot of
grown-ups
abuse
can
and lot of
watch.
abuse, lot of scenes,
Yeah,
adult content.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean obviously it's not for kids, so it'll be only for grown-ups.
So I wonder if there are any more character introductions or videos of new characters. You guys can let us know. Comment down below and let us know if any other
definitely.
teaser or video is there related to this movie. And waiting for the trailer
Yeah.
to launch so we can get a little more
In fact,
insight on it.
I'm also waiting for the introduction to the villain, to the negative
Yeah,
role.
yeah,
So
who
if you
that
guys
is.
know who's
Who
the
that,
villain, who's the actor, what's his character name, mention it in the comment section and we'll even check out or do a reaction to that teaser or that introduction as well. And if you guys like the video, hit that like button, share the video and also comment. We love y'all's comments. We take all your suggestions. We try to do a reaction on those movies or the trailers. So
Based
as much
on
as
y'all's
on
suggestions.
yeah, basically, yeah. Because we're not too familiar with South Indian movies. We do a lot of Bollywood and Hollywood, North Indian and English reactions. We also have done South Indian based on y'all's suggestions. So,
Recommendations.
and we try to like these South Indian movies as well, the trailers. So it's a lot of action, a lot of noise and violence, which is pretty entertaining.
Also different concepts which we don't
Yeah.
see in the Bollywood movie
Yeah,
industry.
true. I mean, the Hindi movies kind of become a bit
Monotonous.
stereotypical. The same kind of storyline, the same kind of characters. But in South Indian, you have a different, diverse range. I mean, yeah, this one, Goa. Then you have one more with Pushpa. Again, a very different concept. So South Indian movies are really doing well.
That's
And
why
the
I think
numbers.
Bollywood is trying to, make remakes of that.
Yeah,
They don't
yeah.
call it copy anymore.
Yeah,
It's a remake.
technically. So yeah, we love your suggestions. So please give the comments down below and we'll see you all in our next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.